Here's how to remove the background and export with transparency step by step. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To export a transparent background, you need Canva Pro. Free accounts cannot download transparent backgrounds. Open your design in Canva. Click on the background color. Set it to pure white. You can type Einhan FFF to make sure it's fully white. Your background must be a color, not an image or texture. Otherwise, transparency won't work. Now click Share in the top right corner. In the Download menu, select PNG as the file type. PNG supports transparency. Check the box labeled Transparent Background. If you see a crown icon, that means it's a Pro feature. Click Download. Your file will save with a transparent background. Some devices show white previews, but once placed on another background, you'll see it's truly transparent. Downloading PNG alone does not mean transparent. You must enable the transparent background option. Transparent backgrounds are perfect for logos, thumbnails, overlays, and social media posts. And that's it. That's how to make a background transparent in Canva. Subscribe for more Canva design tips.